How to delete billing address on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete the billing address on iPhone. Now if you have had a particular payment method on your iPhone device, then you'll need to have a billing address as well, right? How you can delete it if you have added one wrongly or such. You can simply head over to settings, and if you head over to your profile at the top there, and then you'll be able to see the option that says payment and shipping. You can tap on it, and if you have it there, your payment method, and if you have your particular billing address set up. Now in my case it says none, as you can see here, but if you tap on it you'll have to verify your ID and you can get into it. Then now what you'll have to know is if you have added a particular payment method there, then it will need to have a billing address. Now in case you made it wrongly, you added it wrongly, then you can tap on it and then you can go ahead on the billing address option and change it. But if you want to delete your billing address completely, then you'll have to delete your payment method as well. You can simply tap on the payment method there, and then at the bottom you'll find the remove payment method option and you can remove it. So this way you can delete billing address on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.